How to troubleshoot errors when getting started with Salesforce. Are you facing errors while trying to get started with Salesforce? You are not alone, and today we will walk through some practical steps to help you troubleshoot those pesky issues. First, it is essential to identify the exact nature and location of the error. Salesforce has various record types, objects, and permission settings. Knowing where the problem occurs, whether on a contact record, lead, or a specific custom object, is key. If you can provide the exact URL or screen where the error appears, it will help administrators or support teams diagnose the issue more quickly. Next, try clearing your browser cache and switching to a different browser. Many common Salesforce issues, like slow loading or display errors, can often be resolved this way. If you are using an older browser like Internet Explorer, consider upgrading, as it may have compatibility issues with Salesforce. Another step is to check the Salesforce system status page. This page will let you know if there are any ongoing outages or maintenance activities that could be causing the problem. Sometimes, the errors you are experiencing may be due to platform-wide issues rather than something specific to your setup. Do not forget to review user permissions and access controls. Salesforce restricts actions based on profiles, permission sets, and sharing rules. Errors often occur when users do not have the necessary permissions to view or edit certain fields or records. Make sure the user has the appropriate rights for the task they are attempting. If you are running into issues with validation rules, workflows, or automation, these could be blocking data entry or causing unexpected behavior. For instance, if you cannot add a phone number, it might be due to a validation rule requiring a specific format or a required field on a particular record type. When dealing with reports or dashboards, ensure that the report format is correct. In Salesforce Classic, for example, summary or matrix reports are needed for charts, as tabular reports do not support charting. Grouping rows correctly is also essential for effective report visualization. If you experience file upload failures, check the content version object's field requirements. Salesforce files depend on the content version object, and if any custom fields on this object are marked as universally required, uploads may fail. Adjusting these field settings can help resolve upload errors. For performance issues like slow loading or unresponsiveness, consider the volume of data being processed, browser performance, and network conditions. Optimizing these factors can significantly improve your user experience. If your initial troubleshooting does not resolve the issue, gather detailed information to assist your Salesforce administrator or support team. This should include the exact error message, the URL where it occurred, the steps taken before the error appeared, and screenshots if possible. Also, note any recent changes made to the system. Finally, if the problem is beyond basic troubleshooting, follow the escalation process. Salesforce support and internal administrators have access to advanced tools and logs to diagnose complex issues. Community forums and official documentation can also provide guidance on known problems and fixes. By following these steps, identifying the issue, checking browser and system status, verifying permissions and validation rules, ensuring correct report formats, reviewing file upload settings, optimizing performance, and escalating with detailed information, you can effectively troubleshoot errors when getting started with Salesforce.